1. General proposals. This is a general proposals to take care in the environment of the department San Andres Islands. 1. Sea Flowers Biosphere Reserve. Okay, this is very important because sea flower as an MPA aims to conserve, use, and manage coastal and marine resources with the cooperation of local community, using a system of protect areas. And so in this department, the most important is the marine life. Okay, 2. The departmental government bets on the recovery of ecosystem space. Having said that, the fishing and environmental regulations are retaken as a conservation activity proposed by Carolina and by San Andres y Providencia government. 3. Hotel have to building with a maximum of 3 floors. 4. Half of the island is closed to the public to conserve its biodiversity. And 5. The people have to recycling and ocean cares measures from home.
Well, the recommendation to take into account are: to start, separate the garbage, turn off the lights, use products that can be reused, recycle everything you can, change the light bulbs in your house, take your own bag to the supermarket. Some tips for caring for the environment on the island and at home are: first, the bases must be separate. Second, recycle as much as possible. Third, identify garbage cans. Fourth, you have to close the tap if you are not using the water. Fifth, you also have to take care of the beach and sea and follow the instructions. Sixth, separate organic waste and clean paper in another container, cardboard, cans, and plastic in another. Seventh, you use the natural lights. 8. Save the water in the shower can be collected in a bucket. It could be used to unload the toilet and washing your car.
3. Colombia is 30 years old. A sad situation that can happen if we don't care our planet. Colombia will have the following as consequence. 1. Species belonging to marine ecosystem will become extinct. 2. Fresh water will decrease due to increased urbanization and population. 3. Fire, population, and CO2 production will deteriorate the ozone layer.
In the future, San Andres recycles 3 tons of plastic weekly. To prevent the situation, the NGO Schooner Night Ethnic Association trained 12 young people to set up a plant where they separate compact waste that they collect when visiting 30 hotels and neighborhoods on the island. In San Andres, where there is a new decree that will articulate in a single plan the ecological management of the biosphere reserve, and this will help to keep to the island in good condition in the future. In general, in the world, the change would be global warming, since it is the product of greenhouse gas emissions that are discharged into the atmosphere. Okay, finally, in the other change that will affect the world in general are loss of biodiversity, resource depletion, and overpopulation.